Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best truck backup cameras is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your vehicle, transforming the way you navigate tight spots, hitch trailers, and reverse with confidence, especially considering the often limited visibility and blind spots inherent in larger trucks and towing setups, ensuring safety for yourself, your passengers, and everyone around you. Number 5. Easy Setup Plug-Play Backup Camera LK3. Get your new backup camera system installed in just 15 minutes. Simply connect the camera and monitor, then plug it into your car's power source. It's that easy to set up and start using. Experience a consistently clear view with our advanced signal technology. Enjoy lag-free, interference-free HD 1080p images for safer driving, no matter the conditions. This camera is built to withstand the elements. Its robust, waterproof design ensures clear vision even in extreme temperatures and harsh weather, protecting it from water and dust. Our advanced optical technology eliminates image shake, even on bumpy roads. You'll always get a sharp, stable picture, thanks to the high-quality image sensor. This system works with most vehicles, effectively eliminating blind spots. You can also adjust settings like brightness and contrast for your perfect view. See clearly even in the dark. With built-in LEDs and advanced chips, it automatically switches to provide HD 1080p color images at night, ensuring your safety. The integrated 4.3-inch display offers a perfect balance of size and clarity. It's designed for easy use without obstructing your view, enhancing overall visibility. What we like. This system offers an incredibly simple plug-and-play setup, taking just 15 minutes. If you're looking for a quick and hassle-free installation without complex wiring, this is the one for you. It provides a stable, HD 1080p signal with no delays, ensuring a clear view even in harsh weather conditions due to its IP69 waterproof rating. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, allowing you to see more of what's behind your truck. Installation was straightforward, and the wiring harness was long enough for my extended cab truck. The night vision feature provides a clear image even in low-light conditions. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Experience stunning detail with our upgraded 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The expansive 12-inch display offers a significantly larger viewing area, reducing blind spots and enhancing your safety on the road. Stay connected with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to view, playback, and share recordings via our app. The included GPS antenna displays real-time tracking data directly on the device. Enjoy a wider field of view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, minimizing blind spots during driving and reversing. The smart split-screen function lets you monitor both cameras simultaneously on the 2.5D curved screen. Drive with confidence in any lighting condition. Our advanced technology reduces reflections, balances lighting, and delivers superior image quality, even at night. Keep your vehicle protected even when parked. The 24-hour parking monitor, with time-lapse mode, ensures continuous surveillance, conserving power and storage. We stand behind our product with attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Please use only original brand accessories for optimal performance and coverage. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with its massive 12-inch 4K UHD display, offering 1.5 times the view of a standard mirror. If you prioritize a large, immersive screen that drastically reduces blind spots and want the added benefit of GPS tracking and fast Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video sharing, this is your top choice. What people say. The picture is clear and bright, even in low-light conditions. Installation was straightforward, and the wiring harness was a perfect fit. The wide-angle lens provides excellent coverage, eliminating blind spots. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with stunning 4K clarity at the front and crisp 1080p at the rear. Capture every detail of your journey with ultra-wide angles, ensuring you see more of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, this device delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, even in challenging low-light conditions. Its wide apertures allow more light, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings day or night. Connect instantly to your smartphone via dual-band 5G Wi-Fi. Download your recorded videos at speeds up to 20 megabytes SEC directly to your phone for easy sharing and management. With integrated GPS, you can view live speed and compass readings on the screen. It precisely records your driving routes and locations, providing valuable evidence when needed. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and a supercapacitor for extended life. It also supports large microSD cards up to 1 terabyte. Enjoy peace of mind with its intelligent 24-hour parking mode, offering time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. You'll receive voice alerts for any recorded events when you return to your car. What we like. This dash cam boasts a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for exceptional image quality, even in low light. If you need the fastest possible video download speeds to your phone via 5G Wi-Fi and want precise driving route and speed data with its built-in GPS, this is the ultimate tool for evidence and sharing. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, allowing you to see more of your surroundings. Installation was straightforward, and the wiring harness was long enough for my truck. The night vision feature provides clear images even in low-light conditions. Number 2. Solar Magnetic RV Backup Camera System. Say goodbye to complex wiring. This camera uses a solar panel and a powerful magnetic base for a truly install-free experience. It's portable, allowing you to easily move it between vehicles or to different spots on the same one, even on rough roads. Designed for all RV and trailer enthusiasts, it offers a safe, convenient, and eco-friendly way to travel. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time RVer, this camera becomes your trusted partner on every adventure. Experience superior image quality with its HD 1080p resolution, enhanced by 9 infrared night vision lights and a high-quality CCD chip. Advanced optical zoom and lens coating technology reduce glare and improve contrast for a clearer view, anytime. This camera is engineered for durability. With IP69 hydrophobic performance and robust nano coating, it resists water, dust, and extreme temperatures. Its soft rubber-wrapped base also protects your vehicle's paint from scratches. Enjoy extended use with its 5W solar panel and 15,000 mAh battery, offering up to 24 hours of operation. It supports both solar and Type-C charging. Plus, its smart sleep mode conserves power when not in use. This system provides a clear, delay-free view of your surroundings, reducing collision risks. It offers features like video recording, adjustable parking lines, and front-rear view switching for a safer parking experience. What we like. This camera redefines ease of use with its solar-powered magnetic mount, requiring zero installation and offering portable removal. If you frequently switch vehicles or need a camera that's incredibly easy to move and set up, its long battery life and robust design make it perfect for RVs, trailers, and anyone who values ultimate convenience. What people say. The wireless capability and the solar charging makes the installation of this system extremely simple. The magnet is very strong and it is very easy to change locations to optimize operation. Picture quality is excellent and the camera magnets are extremely strong, so in addition to using the supplied mounting plate, it works great by just sticking it on the back trailer bumper. Number 1. Pemacom P15 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. Experience an incredibly fast and easy installation with its magnetic base. It's designed to stay put, even in tough conditions, and protects your vehicle's paint. See everything with enhanced clarity, day or night. Its advanced sensor provides a sharp, true-to-life image, even in low light, reducing hazards for safer driving. Enjoy a reliable connection with its advanced digital signal technology. It ensures a clear, delay-free image up to 33 feet, perfect for various vehicles. Keep going with its massive built-in battery and solar charging capability. A single charge provides up to 24 hours of use, ideal for long journeys. Save power effortlessly. It automatically enters sleep mode when not in use, extending battery life and enhancing durability without manual intervention. Don't let the weather stop you. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures and is fully waterproof, ensuring reliable performance anywhere, anytime. Park with confidence. It offers dual video channels for wider coverage and built-in assist lines to make every parking maneuver safer and easier. What we like. Get set up in just 1 minute with its powerful magnetic mount and enjoy significantly improved image clarity thanks to its self-developed algorithm. If you're looking for a quick, durable, and high-performance wireless camera with an exceptional 24-hour battery life and weatherproof design, this is an excellent option for trucks and trailers. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see blind spots. Installation was straightforward, and the wiring harness was plug-and-play. The night vision feature provides clear images even in low light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.